What's up, guys? So today we are talking to Daniel. Whoop. Is that better? Hi, Milo. What's up, buddy? Can you say hi? Today we are with my brother Daniel. Say hi, Daniel.
What's up?
He has a new Defender. We are going to be putting on a new lift. And this is a 2-inch lift?
2-inch lift.
Okay. He says it's gonna be easy. Lift on a Jeep's not too hard, so I can't imagine it's too hard on the Defender. Although this is an air suspension, so you gotta watch that. Basics, you need a jack. You're gonna need jack stands to keep the vehicle supported while you lift it. You don't want it to fall down. You definitely don't want it to fall on anyone or yourself. You're gonna need a socket. What sockets do we have out so far?
We got the wheel lock key.
Yeah, you're gonna need your wheel lock.
And a 7/8.
And a 7/8 driver for the lug nuts. Well, for the key for the lug nuts. Let's do some measurements. This is entry mode.
This is off-road 2.
Okay, so this is off-road 2. I was gonna say it looks high. Oh, because we have to put it high in the air.
Yep.
Okay, so off-road 2 to the bottom of the side skirt is
About 16.5.
about 16.5.
And in access height, it's about 12.
Got a pretty good gap right there. What is that?
Yeah,
About 7.5.
Yeah, that's 7.5.
Roughly. Okay. Okay, so, and you're hoping to get 33s under here after this?
Definitely
32s.
32.5, maybe 33s.
Okay, so 32.5, 33s. Okay. Are there places to jack this up specifically?
Like there's a little piece that they designed that the jack in the car actually clamps down on this, but super easy to jack as long as you got a vehicle jack, but it goes right there.
Okay, so this is it. Do not break this arm because this goes into the control box, which you're gonna have to replace, and that is not gonna be fun to do. So,
You just lubricate.
the upper one is mounted to a metal bulb. The bottom one is mounted to that plastic arm. So be really careful on that lower plastic arm. Okay. We're gonna do the top and then the bottom. That way you can use leverage so that you don't break it. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, so you can see there's a little bulb right here that it kind of presses onto, and then up here as well. So the new ones, those at the front.
Yep, these are the front. That's it.
Okay.
2-inch lift right there. And congratulations, you have your 2-inch lift on your front right.
Okay. Yeah, so there's the front. That was obnoxiously easy, Daniel.
Yep.
Dean. Do you know how hard it is to lift a Jeep? Harder than that.
Not 5 minutes.
All right, we're gonna button this back up and then we'll do the other side and then we'll meet you back on the rear. To tighten down the lug nuts to 103 foot-pounds or 140 Newton meters. There we go. Jack here. Not on the plastic, but under it, there's a little pad. See the pad? This is what you jack on. But they put a little arrow there for everyone.
For people like me.
Yeah, for people like Daniel. All right, on to the back. So yeah, there's the top part. Again, that's plastic right here. So this is a plastic piece. Do not break this. So don't put any leverage on this side. Don't try and pry it. And then at the bottom, right down here, right there, there's a little bulb. So it's gonna come off this way. So we're gonna lubricate it and then pull it off. All right.
Good.
Yeah. There we go. That's it. We are Gonna get the wheel and tire back on. We aren't gonna get it aligned today. He's gonna do that tomorrow. But definitely after you do something like this, always make sure to align your vehicle. You don't want your tires wearing 6.5.
Yep.
Okay, so it is tricked by 2 inches. Okay. So this is comfort mode, right?
Yep. Access height.
Or access height, okay. Now show us, what's the middle of the road called?
It's just balance, comfort.
Balance, comfort. Okay, show us that one.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Now show us the full height one. The off-road mode, I think is what you called it.
Yep, off-road height. Get you almost a 40-degree approach.
Yeah, that's considerably taller. Oh yeah.
And that is an off-road height
Yeah.
too.
It's tall. That's really tall. Okay. Cool.
That'll get you to 610 on the top of the car.
610 with the calculation or without?
With.
Okay, so the top is 610 then there. Interesting. Okay. Well, looks good. Looks like he skipped leg day. My little brother Daniel. Say hi, Daniel.
What's going on?
It's his new car. He works for Land Rover Denver, so if you need someone, you're looking for a Land Rover or a Range Rover, he's your guy. Nice little plug there. So we are in a 2023 Defender 110, right?
Yep.
And this is the, is there a model or a trim?
It's the S, so it's one trim level up from the base. It's the P300, so this is the turbocharged 4. Has 295 horsepower, 296 foot-pounds of torque. And yeah, decent kind of middle of the road and options.
It's more my Jeep. It's more than my Jeep. So it's nice. And what's this interior called?
This is Acorn interior, and it's the Tasman blue exterior.
Tasman blue. Okay, we'll get you the exterior shots, but it's nice. It's got we have some junk in here, but it's nice. It's got all the usual Range Rover goodies, but they've done a good job of outfitting it with areas to kind of jam stuff. You can see he has his sunglasses back there kind of out of the way. I have my camera stuff kind of thrown up here haphazardly, so disregard that. This is a little grab handle. I don't know how well that's gonna work, but I guess we'll see. But overall, it's pretty nice. So what drove you to the Defender?
Just kind of the off-road capability without having to sacrifice the like kind of family orientation of the daily driver.
Yeah.
And it just being super comfortable.
It is super comfortable, and this is on an airlift, right?
Yep, 4-corner air suspension on all the bigger models.
Okay, that's cool. Let's see, what else? What other fun things does this thing have? I noticed it has the phone charger in here, the wireless charger.
Yep, you got wireless charger standard.
Got CarPlay.
CarPlay wireless now. That's been working really well.
That's nice.
Has the Meridian sound, which is the 380 watt system, which is enough thump for most people.
Yeah.
And then we do have heated front seats, the Land Rover exclusive, where you get the front heated windshield, and then you even have the heated steering wheel.
Nice. My Jeep doesn't have a heated steering wheel.
No, and it just has a windshield that breaks.
Yeah, we'll see how long yours lasts. We'll see how long it lasts. It's nice. It's comfortable. It's got a big open roof. What do they call it? A moonroof nowadays?
Yep, sliding pano.
Okay, so it's fancy. And what are you hoping to get out of it? You're just going to build kind of like a, I guess it's called Overland today.
Yeah, a little bit of overland in. Maybe put the rooftop tent on there. Do some modifications that I just don't have to worry about scraping anything. I'm not going to go too crazy. Maybe get an inch bigger on the tires, but just kind of keep it a little more daily, but be able to go a little more places than other people can.
Nice. Okay, well, let's cut to some of that good B-roll.